back when I started to first cut out the front cross member and its surrounding parts, I accidentally clipped the front wiring loom with my power file. It wasn't as bad as this. I've since peeled it back just to look inside and inspect the wires, but I've accidentally scathed two of the wiring sleeves inside. So I was looking for a product to help me out and protect it, and I didn't know they actually made this liquid electrical tape. So a little dab of it on there and it reforms the sleeve. Ideally I'd like to get that wiring loom put back through the bus as soon as possible, just so I can obviously move the bus in and out the garage. I've still got remnants of the rear cross member in place. What I'm going to do is got an old length of plumbing copper, 15mm copper. I'm just going to use that as a rule, so I can see what length of new conduit I need to cut to house the wiring loom. Just found that I still had the old brake line conduit that I took out. I'm assuming it runs the same length as the wiring loom conduit. Just measured it at 130 centimetres long, so I'll use that as a guide and cut a new bit of steel. Quite a lot of progress today, but I think I'm going to leave it there for now. I've just managed to give the inner B pillar another coat of rust converter. The seals and the B pillar itself are all strong and welded together now. Ideally I'd like to restore power back to the bus so I can move it off of the ramps, get this front wheel off, and then continue welding up within that wheel well section. But just poke the wiring loom back through the front cross member with the addition of that extra water coming out of it. And I think I want to put the metal sleeve back on the loom, because I only want to do it once really. I've got some connections to put back on for the starter motor point. I'll tidy that loom up, but I'm going to have to pull it again because I've got to do the rear cross member. But like I say, I'd only like to put the sleeve on once, keep it on there.